Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the reaction sequence concept. We start with an alkyl halide, ethyl chloride, CH3CH2Cl, and perform 3 successive reactions. Moving on to the next step. First reaction, CH3CH2Cl plus narration, I. Narration is a nucleophile that displaces the chloride via SN2 reaction, introducing a nitrile group. Product, I, is equal to CH3CH2CN, propionitrile. Moving on to the next step. Second reaction, CH3CH2CN plus NeH2, 2. Catalytic hydrogenation, reduction, of a nitrile group converts CN2CH2NH2. Product, 2, is equal to CH3CH2CH2NH2, propylamine, a primary amine. Note, the nitrile carbon gains 2 hydrogens, and the nitrogen gains 2 hydrogens, extending the carbon chain by 1 carbon. And for the final step. Third reaction, CH3CH2CH2NH2 plus acetic anhydride, 3. Acetic anhydride reacts with primary amines to form amides, acetylation of the amine. The NH2 group reacts with CH3CO to O to give NHCH3 and release CH3CO. Product, 3, is equal to CH3CH2CH2NHCH3 in propylacetamide. Match with options. Option C, CH3CH2CH2NHCH3 matches exactly. Why other options fail? A, CH3CH2CH2NH2 is intermediate. 2, not the final product after acetylation. B, CH3CH2CH2CONH3 would require a different reaction pathway involving amide bond formation with methylamine, not acetic anhydride acting on the amine. D, CH3CH2CH2CONH3 is not produced by acetylation of a primary amine with acetic anhydride under normal conditions. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.